Good morning and welcome in online lecture series of all BSc third year students of Fishery Science, semester 6th, paper number 15, Fishery Economics, Fish Cooperatives, Fish Marketings and Extension. In this paper 15 we have seen the second unit, Fish Marketing India, and in this Fish Marketing in India, the last but one point of marketing, that is the marketing functions. Which are marketing functions? These are to be seen. Which are marketing functions? These are to be found. These are to be seen, or these functions we have studied during last period. During last part we have discussed functions of exchange in detail. What is functions of exchange? Functions of exchange. In first part we have discussed what is in by buying or what is in by assembling the fish and fish product that can be assembled either by producer, either by wholesaler, either by retailer, either by, that is, commission agents or processor. That is buying the fish and fish product. It is the one more important functions of exchange. And second important function we have seen, that is the selling. Selling means those product which is to be purchased by these middlemen, that may be wholesaler, that may be retailers, that may be commission agents, or that may be other different merchants. These mediatories or intermediaries that can be sold the product which is to be purchased, and that product which is to be sold to the high price depending upon the market demand, depending upon the marketing condition, demand and supply, applying the demand and supply, and then the product is to be sold in market with high price. It is called as selling. And selling is the main heart of marketing. Selling is the main heart of marketing, because those are the sellers, that may be wholesalers, that may be retailers, or that may be processor, that wholesalers have knowledge about marketing, that have knowledge about, and it can be impressive marketing activities. It can be impress the markets by their language, by their marketing strategies. And when the impressive marketing strategies, it can be applied, it can be implemented, the product will be sold within a short time, within short period, and it can be earn more benefit or more earnings. That's why selling is the heart of marketing, and hence selling is to be done. All these are to be seen in last period, that is functions of exchange, buying and selling. Yes. Now today we have seen the second important point in marketing functions, that is functions of physical supply. Functions of physical supply. How these functions of physical supply it is to be related to the marketing functions, we have seen detail one by one. That is second point, functions of physical supply. Functions of physical supply. Functions of physical supply or distribution of product is the main link. This product functions of physical supply or distribution of product is the main link or key link between production and marketing. What is the main link? Functions of physical supply or distribution of product or distribution of fish and fish product is the main link or the key link between production and marketing. In between production and in between marketing, this is the important link, this is the important point. Proper planning of physical supply, proper planning of physical supply or distribution stimulates, proper planning of physical supply or distribution stimulates and stimulates and creates demand and serves or save the cost of distribution. What is the proper planning? Proper planning of physical supply or proper distribution stimulate and creates demand and save the cost of distribution. To create the demand, and when the demand is to be increased, price is to be increased and save the cost of distribution. physical supply or distribution. Physical supply or functions of physical supply or distribution of physical commodities, physical goods or fish and fish product, or distribution include the transportation. Physical supply or distribution. Physical supply or distribution includes transportation, storage and warehousing. These 3 points, these are to be discussed, these are to be studied in the physical supply or in the distribution. In the distribution or physical supply. What do you mean by physical supply or distribution? Physical supply or distribution include the transportation, transport the fish and fish product from one place to another place. Storage the fish and fish product, suitable storage houses, storage condition, and warehousing. Warehouses is to be again constructed. Cold storage, then warehouses. In these warehouses, these fish and fish product is to be stored. That's why these 3 points, transportation, storage and warehousing, these are to be studied in physical supply or distribution, in which one by one we have seen. First, transportation. What is meant by transportation? How this fish product and fish can be transported. Transportation is a very important functions of marketing. Transportation is a very important functions of marketing. Transportation makes the production flow to the point of consumption. What is the transportation? Transportation makes the production flow to the point of consumption. Means those product which is to be produced, those product which is to be manufactured, that product it can be production flow. That product can show the production flow to the point of consumption. Production flow to the point of consumption. In the point of consumption, that is production flow is to be done with the help of transportation. Means with the help of ट्रान्सपोर्ट जर तुम्ही वापरला, ट्रान्सपोर्ट जर केला तरच तुमचा प्रॉडक्ट एका ठिकाणी दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी काय होईल, फ्लो होईल आणि तुमचं कन्झम्पशन पॉईंटला फिल होईल. फिशेस कॅप्चर्ड इन ह्यूज क्वांटिटीज आर ऑफ नो यूज. फिशेस क्वांटिटीज और फिशेस कॅप्चर्ड इन ह्यूज क्वांटिटीज, फिशेस लँडेड इन ह्यूज क्वांटिटीज आर ऑफ नो यूज till they are carried to the place of consumption, till they are carried to the place of consumption and sold to the consumers. Fishes these are to be captured, fishes these are to be landed, fishes these are to be captured, fishes these are to be landed in huge quantity, 2 quintal, 5 quintal, 1 ton, 2 ton. Fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured, but there is no use, because when consumers these are to be not found, no use of this quantity. That's why these landed fishes, these captured fishes, these are to be carried where the consumption, where the consumers these are to be easily available, where the consumer these are to be more in number found, where the consumer these are to be large in quantities available. At that place, at that point, these landed fishes, these landed quantity of fish can be carried, transported at the place of consumption, where these transported fishes can be sold to the consumers. Transported fishes can be purchased by consumers at that point, at that place where the consumers are to be found on large quantities. Yes. Fishes captured in huge quantity are of no use till they are carried to the place of consumption and sold to the consumers. It is to be seen, it is to be found. Carrying of the fishes from fishing grounds, carrying of the fishes from fishing grounds, assembling centers to the place of consumption is performed by the transport. It is to be performed, it is to be done only and only with the process, with the that is method, and that method is the transportation. Carrying of the fish and fish product, fish and fishes from the landing centers, from the fishing grounds or assembling centers to the place of consumption, to the place market of selling or market of sold, it is to be performed by the process that is called as transport or the transportation. The means of transport used for transportation, the means of transport used for transportation of fishes are head loads depending on the conditions available. Fishermen can also take fishes on their shoulders, on their heads, and they can transport it from nearby ponds, nearby river to the cities or market on head loads. it can be on shoulder slings. In ancient time, fishes can be transported by shoulder slings using pet animals. जे पाळीव प्राणी असतात या पाळीव प्राण्यांच्या पाठीवर टाकून गोणी टाकून these fishes these are to be transported from landing center to the marketing place, from one place to the another place with the help of shoulder slings using pet animals. These fishes these are to be transported by bullock carts, बैलगाडी ज्याला. These animals these are to be transported with the help of boats from one city to one another city. These are also transported by motor lorries, or these are also transported by rails. And nowadays these fishes or these fish and fish product high cost, more price, it can be also transported by aeroplanes. Means all these are the vehicles, all these are the options for transportation of the fish and fish product from landing center up to the consumption point, up to the consumer point. That may be on head loads, that may be on shoulder slings using pet animals, that may be bullock carts, that may be boats, that may be motor lorries, that may be rails, or that may be aeroplanes. Bicycle is a quite popular vehicle for transport of fishes because it is cheap and speedy in rural areas, and it can be reached to the required destination. It can be reached to the required destination because bicycle nowadays it is most popular and famous for carrying, for selling the fish from one part to the another part. And these bicycle these are to be reached at the site of bank of river, at the site of bank of reservoir, lakes or ponds. There is easily availability of road, and that's why this bicycle is the popular vehicle to transport fishes from, that is, landed center to the marketplace. Yes. Type of transport varies and depend upon quantity and type of fish. Type of transport varies and depend upon the quantity and type of fish and distance to be traveled. Means depending upon the quantity, how much quantity these are to be captured, depending upon type, how which fishes these are to be caught, which fishes these are to be captured, that may be good quality fishes these are to be captured, and how much distance these are to be traveled. A short distance is to be traveled or a long distance is to be traveled for the transportation to sell fish from one market to another market, or from landing center to the fishing center. That's why this transportation varies, depends quantity, type of fish and distance to be traveled. Hence this transport is to be important. Type of transport varies and depend upon quantity and type of fish and distance to be traveled. Special facilities are provided for transport of fish. Special facilities are provided for transport of fish and fish seed on railways. Special facilities are to be provided for transport of fish and fish seed on railways. Nowadays, aquarium fishes and fish seed are transported through aeroplanes. Today, those fishes which have good quality, those fishes which have a brilliant colored and cultured in aquarium, for aquarium fishes nowadays, these aquarium fishes and their seeds, aquarium fishes and their seeds are to be transported through aeroplanes from one country to another country, because these are valuable and these are to be high cost. The use of particular means of transport depends upon the distance to be traveled, the quality and quantity of the fish. It is to be depend upon the quality and quantity as well as distance which is to be traveled. Facilities available for quick and safe dispatch. Facilities available for quick and safe dispatch, and the expense that have to be incurred while transporting fresh fishes are packed along with ice in bamboo baskets or wooden baskets or wooden boxes. That is, facilities are available for quick and safe dispatch of fishes, and expenses that have been to be incurred, that is, maximum expenses these are to be incurred while transporting fresh fishes are packed along with ice in bamboo baskets or in wooden boxes, and dry fishes are transported without keeping them in ice. Those fishes these are to be dry, that is, small fishes, wild fishes, that may be Bombay duck or it is called as bombil. Such wild or dried fishes, these are to be transported without ice or without a packing. These are to be openly, and these are to be open cartoon, open bags, transported from one place to another place. Only those are the fresh fish. These fishes, these are to be packed with ice, packed with other different facilities, and these are to be transported, safe transporting, and those are the extra charges, these are to be applicable for transport. All these charges, these are to be earned when fishes, these are to be priced in market, fishes, these are to be sold in market. The containers which are generally used for transport of fishes are baskets. The containers which are generally used for transport of fishes and fish products are baskets, wooden cases, gunny bags, earthen pots, kerosene tins, coconut, palmyra and screw pine, leaf mat, plastic bags and fish holes. All these are the materials. In these material, fishes can be transported from one part to the another part. Fishes can be transported from landing center to the consumption place. Means fishes, these are to be generally use the containers. These containers are basket container, these containers are wooden containers, गनी बॅग्स, प्लॅस्टिक बॅग्स, अर्धन पॉट्स, मातीचे भांडे ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, केरोसिन टीन, केरोसिनचे कॅन्स, केरोसिन टीन, कोकोनट पाल्मेरा, कोकोनटचे वेगवेगळे कार्टून्स, पाल्मेरा ज्याला आपण बोऱ्या म्हणतो कोकोनटचा, स्क्रू पाईन, त्याला वेगवेगळे अगेन लीफ मॅट, देन लीफ मॅट, प्लॅस्टिक बॅग्स अँड fish hold. All these are the different materials from which fishes are to be transported from one part to another part. Large freshwater fishes are transported through gunny bags to near fish market. Large fishes are to be, when large fishes, these are to be caught, captured. When these large quantity of freshwater fishes, these are to be transported from one place to another place with the help of the gunny bags, and these gunny bags, these are to be near to the village market. These are the larger, and capacity of these gunny bags is to be 5 quintals, 1 ton, 2 tons, and such large gunny bags, these are to be used to transport the fishes from one place to another place. Fresh fishes are packed along with ice. Fresh fishes are packed along with ice in baskets or wooden boxes and then transported to the destination by rails. Those fishes are to be packed along with ice in the baskets or wooden box and then transported to the destination by rails or by trucks or by, that is, motor rallies. In India, packed fishes are dispatched through water transport. In India, packed fishes are dispatched through water transport. Water transport is divided into 3 categories again: coastal transport for national and international purpose, coastal transport for national and international purpose, river transport, Mughal line for national transport, river transport पूर्वीच्या काळी मुघल लाईन ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, river transport for national transport in the country. These river transport, these are to be used from one river to another river. And third is the shipping corporation, shipping transport for national and international transport. Means these 3 water transport, these are to be used. These are the 3 water transport, these are to be used from one place to another place in India. First is the coastal transport, second is the river transport, and third is the shipping corporation. Shipping corporation, that is shipping places where specially, that is, those are the areas such as natural shipping place, Mumbai, Kolkata. These are the natural shipping areas, shipping marketing place, where these marketing shipping place, that is, tremendous quantities of ship, these are to be entered and these are to be transported to the national and international areas, international country. Means these 3 ways: coastal transport, river transport and shipping corporation for the national and international transport. These 3 methods, these are to be adopted for the fishes, these are to be transported. With this, first we have seen that transportation in the, that is, functions of physical supply. In these functions of physical supply, first point we have seen, that is, mode of transportation are the fishes, these are to be caught, fishes, these are to be landed, and these landed fishes, captured fishes, these are to be transported from one place to another place or from landing center to the that is marketing center, or from landing area to the that is consumption area by through of number of methods, that may be rail, that may be aeroplane, that may be truck, that may be bullock cart, that may be bicycle, that may be cycle, or that may be various on shoulder or on pet animal. Fishes, these are to be transported. The first point in physical supply we have seen, that is transportation. In second next period we have seen next part. Thank you all of you.